Hey friends, welcome to Project Homestead. Today's video, we are going to get the stuff to do part 2 of our garden makeover. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to actually do the garden makeover, but we're gonna go buy the stuff together. And so you can keep your eye out for that video as well. Hopefully we have time to do something in the garden, but I have a lot of food that I just put away. I gotta get my kids in an hour and a half from school, and so it's crazy. I want to at least go and get the garden bed and some plants. So let's go do this. Thank you guys so much for joining this video. Please consider subscribing if you want to see me fumble my way through learning the things that I need to learn to be able to one day have a homestead. And when I say homestead, I say that very lightly because it's pretty much just going to be a huge garden and then chickens and a lot of simple living and, you know, back to the basics. So if you're interested in that type of a thing and you want to just join a beautiful community, we have such a beautiful community of people here that are like-minded and they're just lovely and they have such good tips, and you can read the comments and see their beautiful tips and be friends with them. You guys are all bomb. Like, I love you guys. Did I just say bomb? That was a blast from the past, because I think I was like 16 the last time I was like, that is so bomb. I think I was trying to like show off for you guys and be cool, but it just kind of just sounded weird. So let's go. Let's go to the store. Let's just do a little garden therapy. Alright guys, we are currently in Bunnings. I got distracted by the solar lights because I'm like, that'd be pretty in the garden, but that's not why we're here. And the way we get out of debt is by staying on a budget and not letting those things that we really want to get on a whim. We don't get those things. So we gotta stay strong. Ooh, what's this? Okay, move on, Jerry. I'm like, stay strong. What's that? Alright, this is one part of Bunnings. I really struggle not to like spend big. The little cactuses. I love the little cactuses. It's like 18 bucks for that little cactus. All right, stay focused, Jerry. What are we here for? Plants? I did decide that I was gonna get myself one plant for the house. So I am doing that for sure. How pretty is that? 21 bucks though. Do you want the red one or the pink one? Ooh, pink. Look at the pink one. I like the pink one. Let's do the pink one. That's pretty. All right. Ooh, I like this one too. That was $20. I kind of think I want something rich and deep and green though. So let's move on. No, okay, I said I'd get one houseplant. And I'd choose her. So let's go get some, let's go look for the garden bed. I might go to Green Soil Co. and get my soil though, because I just feel like it's better. And we are in my happy place, officially. I want to buy those huge plants, they're beautiful. We're not going to, because that's not why we came. Whoa, this plant, this is really cool. How cool is that? It is so cool. It's called String of Pearls. I like. It's not why we're here. It's not why we're here. We're not here for that. So we are not going to get that, but we want to. We really want to. I think the garden bed, yes. We need the wooden one. So this is a metal one. Metal. Okay, here we go. Found them. This is what we need. We're gonna get one of these. I want to know how much they are. What is it called? Garden vegetable kit. Garden. Heritage garden. I feel like this is what that is. So I'm gonna get two. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm only gonna get the one, but I'm going to go look at what else they've got. I don't want to spend all my money on the raised bed because then I'm not gonna be able to get soil. So let's go find soil. Oh no, actually what I'm looking for is another, like a garden bed with legs. I want a garden bed with legs. Yes, this is what I want to kind of get. Something like like that. I wish I had a price on this. Let's go find out how much it is. While I head over to check out how much that little raised bed is there, I'm gonna stop and see what seedlings they have.
Life's not infinite, it's the only chance we get. So why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? Will it click? Looking for the next new fix.
And I'm gonna try a little piece of their lettuce to make sure it's sweet. Oh, that's so bitter. That's so bitter. I would have got sucked into that. And it's so bitter. Got broad bean, sweet corn, basil.
Why are we waiting? Why are we waiting? They say they have the answers, but no one's getting better.
So let's move on to the next aisle and see what we got here. Oh my gosh, mint is such a euphoric smell for me. I want to try some coriander. Should we try to find some coriander? Cilantro. It's not really a lot, guys. It's not really a lot. Let's go. I'll go to the next aisle, and then if there's nothing there, then we'll just check out.
They say they have the answers. It's always pay to enter. And isn't life funny? Make some money, spend it all to feel less crummy, and think that we've made it. Think that we've made it. Well, what else? Sit by ourselves, think about the hands we're dealt and all our guilt. Think that we've made it. Think that we've made it.
All right, we are done at Bunnings. We just need to go over to Green Life Co. and we need to see what they've got over there. I just need to check what time it is. All right, I need to leave in just under an hour to get my kids. So what I'm gonna do is run home. I'm gonna get all of this stuff out of the car, and then I'm gonna go get the kids, and then I'll take them with me to Green Soil Co. We'll grab some dirt, we'll grab some, hopefully some good seedlings, and maybe we'll be able to plant up some stuff when we get home, depending on the time. I'm pretty happy with the stuff that I've got. All right, we're home. I've got all this in. I've still got the wooden garden bed in the car. I'm gonna leave this in the air-conditioned house. How pretty is that? I cannot even get over it. We are back from Green Soil Co. and by the time we got there, they were closing, huh?
Yeah.
So we had to rush. So I didn't get any footage. I'm very sorry. But we did find yellow watermelon.
Yeah.
Are we gonna try some?
Yes. That was really good.
Let's try some. Macy, you wanna try the watermelon?
Watermelon. Ah!
Yum, try it. It's so good.
So good.
It's like not as sweet as normal watermelon, but it's like really refreshing.
That's so weird because it's not red.
I know. Good? It's pretty good. Good. You like it, Macy? It's not as sweet as watermelon, as the other watermelon, but it's very refreshing. What would you say?
It's lemon melon.
Yeah.
Pineapple melon.
Pineapple melon? All right, guys, I'm gonna run out to the backyard now, and I'm going to show you all the things that I got from Green Soil Co. and Bunnings. I'm going to drive the car around the back because I don't want to bring all this soil around to the back. I like to shop at Green Soil Co. for my soil if I can. I got soil from them ages ago when I lived in a different house. It was the best garden of herbs I've ever had in my life. And the lettuce was sweet. So it makes me wonder if the soil has anything to do with the sweetness and taste, excuse me, of the lettuce. I'm going to just pull in, and then we are going to unload it this way. All right, let's get the soil. All right, so I got this vegetable mix for the garden bed.
We want strawberries. You can't read it this backwards, so I could tell you it says fruity, which is like, I don't know the name of the brand. And then there's a flowering pink strawberry. And there's even a little strawberry. Looks delicious.
And I got this potting mix for the pots. You guys remember the garden bed that we got from Bunnings?
Tasty. Tasty. Hello. Bye.
I got these plants as well.
I know we've got more strawberries, but what else do we have? This is lemongrass. Can you see it? No. It says lemongrass right there.
You guys remember the stuff we got at Bunnings?
We also have lemon thyme. I wish we had a lemon tree. I have this stuff. Yeah.
Hey, look, a ground cherry fell off.
Ground cherry. That one's so big. Did you?
Macy just wants to quickly show you guys what we got, what else we got.
A leak in the boat.
We got some leeks.
We have some Alice Purple Alyssum.
Why?
Alice Purple Alyssum.
Tell them why we got that. Do you remember why I would have bought that?
Because Alyssum is like good for like keeping like bugs away or something, like pests from some
It is,
plants.
and it also attracts what?
I think like ladybugs, which like to like
Yep, and
bees.
yes. Okay, what else did we get?
Cocoa right there.
You want to come outside? I want to get a catio, so I'm starting to feel really sad for my cats. They never get to come outside. We take Coco for walks, but
A cameo mix, Alice.
what is it?
Cameo mix.
Awesome.
All of the Allison is here. We also have sugar loaf cabbage. Sugar loaf. That sounds so funny.
Does sound funny.
Last but not least, we have an heirloom, a rainbow heirloom tomato too.
You guys saw this at Bunnings when I was at Bunnings, but Macy wants to show you again.
It's anthurium. Don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's very pretty.
This is going to be inside. So that's what we got at the garden shops. So I'm going to end this video here. I do not have the energy to plant all this stuff up. So I'm going to go ahead and record this video for you tomorrow, and hopefully we'll get it up for you guys Friday. If not, it'll be Wednesday of next week. So
Thank you for joining our video. Yay! Let's.
This is it, life's not infinite. It's the only chance we get. So why are we waiting? Why are we waiting?
Lily will eat that plant.
This one?
Yeah.
She probably will.
First.